For those of you who are still wondering about the utility of the too low kit that has been developed by CurbOver, this is a solid example. I am traveling in Zanskar Valley today, and I am climbing from the Zanskar Valley floor at Nerak to the first pass, Chochogorilla Pass, at 13,100 feet. While the height may not look or hear, while the height may not sound that much, but look at the roads below. It is twisting, turning and climbing like that. Unfortunately, in the Jimny, if you use first gear, and when I was using the first gear, first of all, it will not climb without first gear. And if you use first gear, it will rev at 3000, 4000 RPM, make all sorts of wow, wow sound, and then climb after a lot of struggle, right? You can engage 4H, right? But the catch here is that if you look at the surface of the road, it is not an off-road. You have tarmac. If you see here, you have tarmac, a hard tarmac, right? And this is twisting and turning, hairpin bends. So effectively speaking, you are not supposed to use 4 high or 4 low here, because you are supposed to use those when you are traveling in a straight line. But here, let me tell you from personal experience, too low is an absolute godsend. I have just engaged too low. It is pulling cleanly. I can't tell you about the torque. It is pulling cleanly at second and third gear. I am ensuring that I keep my speed within 30 to 40 kmph, and it is just cleanly pulling going up. If you see the road down below where the small car is going, that is the new blacktop from Nerak to Nimmu. And this is the one that climbs to Chochogorilla. So let us go to Chochogorilla now, and then we will go to Konkala. Here is my Jimny. Too low is still engaged, and I am climbing up. Hats off, Manik San. Hats off to you for developing this.